If your Mazda has an e-parking brake, when you perform a rear brake job, it's important to disengage the electronic parking brake, which is accomplished by putting it in maintenance mode. Hit start 2 times. Hold down the brake, and while holding it down, press down on the e-parking brake 1 time and release it. Now release your foot off the brake. So now we're going to hold 2 things down. The accelerator all the way down and the e-brake down, and then hit start 3 times. You should hear the caliper reset, and then you can release everything. And just to test, I started up, my parking brake is off, so I'll shut her down. Make sure you do not turn the parking brake on until your brake job is complete and calipers are back in place. So to reset and engage your electronic parking brake, start twice. Foot pressing down on the brake pedal, and then pull up the electronic parking brake up once. Remove your foot from the brake pedal, accelerator all the way down, e-parking brake up, and so while those 2 things are happening, start 3 times. There, once all the noise is stopped, we can release everything. And you can see now my parking brake light is coming on. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell. Working on brakes? Check out this video. Thanks for watching.